Hey, so you just made it to Project 4, and that's awesome. This is the last project in the jQuery course, and what I'm aiming to do here is bring together all of the skills that we've learned in 1 through 3 into our most realistic application yet. So let's have a look at what we're actually going to be building together. And once again, this is going to serve us as our roadmap. So as we go forward in identifying what behaviors we want to tackle first, this will allow us to see clearly where we're going. And you can see here that this is a basic application called Launchpads. It's a simple apartment kind of marketplace. And in this case, it's all New York apartments. These are filterable by borough here. And then clicking one of these listings here, you may expect that it would take you to another view with more information about that particular listing. But in this case, to keep it a little bit more lightweight, and since we are still a little restricted with the front end, this is actually just going to open up a link to the address in Google Maps. So still pretty awesome. But why do I say it's our most realistic application yet? I say that because all of this data here in these apartment listings is actually being returned to us from a server. And then we are rendering that data into something viewable for the user. So remember in Project 3, and we were saving everything to local storage, I had said that in a more traditional application, we would probably want to send that data to a database on the back end, and then we would request that data when the user returned to the page. Well, in this case, that's more or less what we're emulating. We are using all data returned to us from a server in a realistic view. So this is one step closer in bridging the gap between the front end and back end. And the data in this case is what's called JSON data. Do you know what JSON data is?